Welcome to EnglishRyan.com.
Hello and welcome to another video lesson on how to write an essay. In this lesson we're going to go over the outline of what's involved in writing a discussion essay. Now before we begin that, I just thought we'd take a second to show what the difference is between an argument essay and a discussion essay. And if you watched the video before this one, you know that an argument essay states the writer's opinion at the beginning, and you probably recall this is called a thesis, and supports it being the writer's opinion with evidence. Now a discussion essay is a little bit different. A discussion essay analyzes the opinions of others and gives the writers at the end. Okay, so in a way, an argument essay and a discussion essay are kind of inverted versions of each other. In the argument essay, you're giving your opinion right at the beginning. You're saying, this is what I believe, and then the whole essay, you're saying why you believe this. In a discussion essay, you're looking at the opinions of other people. So basically, you're saying, I'm looking at this person's opinion, I'm looking at this person's opinion, and at the end, you say which one you feel is stronger and which one you would agree with. So in a way, you're not giving your opinion at all until the end of the essay. Okay, so now if we focus just on discussion essays, discussion essay. Now a discussion essay has 4 paragraphs. First being an introduction paragraph, second being a supporting paragraph, third being a second supporting paragraph, and the last being a concluding paragraph. And I'm just going to mark these as number 1 and number 2 so we can keep track of them easier. So now the discussion essay follows the exact same paragraph format as the argument essay. You're starting with an introduction paragraph, you're following this with a supporting paragraph, and then following that with another supporting paragraph, and then finishing with a concluding paragraph. Okay, now inside of each of these paragraphs are a number of sentences, and each sentence has its own job to do. So if we take the introduction paragraph, the first sentence is a background statement on the topic that we're writing about. The second is a detailed background statement. So it's basically a little bit more information on the topic that we introduced in the first sentence. The third sentence is the points of view on the topic that will be analyzed. So we're looking at maybe it's, if you're writing this for an IELTS exam, it's going to be probably 2 points of view on the topic that you're going to look at. Okay, and then obviously the first one is going to appear in supporting paragraph 1, and the second one is going to appear in supporting paragraph 2. Now the last sentence is simply an outline sentence, which is basically telling us the order we will discuss these points of view in. So it's just saying that you could even just say these points of view will be discussed in this order, which means that whatever order you said them in the third sentence, the sentence here, that will be the order that they will appear in the supporting paragraphs. Okay, so if we take a make-believe statement such as McDonald's is a great restaurant. Now if the question is discuss this statement, well, we're going to come up with 2 points of view on this topic. So the first perhaps being that McDonald's is a great restaurant, the second one being that McDonald's is not a great restaurant. And we're going to say those 2 points of view in the third sentence of the introduction paragraph. Okay? Now, so if we come down to supporting paragraph 1, so supporting paragraph 1 is basically talking about point of view number 1. So the first sentence, it just gives a statement of point of view 1. And if we just remember our little talk about McDonald's, well, here we would say it is believed by some that McDonald's is a great restaurant. Okay, that's just stating the first point of view that we're analyzing. Now if you listen to the way that I said that, I did not say in any way that that's my opinion. I said that's the opinion of others. It is believed by some that McDonald's is a great restaurant. The second sentence is an example that supports point of view 1. Now perhaps we don't think that McDonald's is a great restaurant, and it's kind of funny, but that doesn't matter. In this paragraph, we because we're writing a discussion essay, we have to show some evidence that supports point of view number 1. Okay, just to kind of show that we're discussing it. We're looking at the pros and the cons, the good things, the bad things about each point of view.